Okie dokie. Here's a Yoshi RS5 slip-on. It's on an 06. There's no fuel management on it. It's got the cat on it. This is a cold start. Okay, Bazzaz is hooked up. This is our little slash pipe. That's the stock O2 sensor. We just stuck it in there so it doesn't throw any codes, so we don't have to reset anything. And this is a cold start on it. Okie dokie, we let both of them warm up, and now we're going to start them up and we're going to rev them one at a time so you guys can tell the sound difference. I don't know how well we're going to do, but we'll try to make something of it. Yeah, that was red line. That's 5. That was 5,000 RPMs, and now we're gonna go to this guy. Hey, do 5. Okie dokie, yeah, that was 13,000 on that bike. It's pretty loud. Camera doesn't do it justice, but you guys can tell a little bit, I guess. Thanks for watching.